And in the latest in the Kerala nun rape case, former Bishop Franco Mullakkal has applied for bail once again. Franco Mullakkal is accused of raping a nun in a convent in Kottayam. In fact, the accused had earlier applied for bail on the 3rd of October. His legal team states that his earlier bail plea no longer applies as he isn't the Bishop of Jalandhar and is not in a position of influence and cannot intimidate witnesses. The Bishop's legal team applied for bail yesterday. Okay, that's a big news coming in the nun rape case with the former Bishop Franco Mullakkal applying for bail once again after his bail was rejected. This is the other time that he is applying because his legal team, that's the stand that they're putting up. That's the defense saying that he's no longer in a position of influence and cannot intimidate witnesses. Shalini Lobo, my colleague, joins us for more on this. He may not be, Shalini, in a position of influence, but the allegations against him are of grave nature. Didn't the High Court already made it very clear that he's not entitled for bail?
Indeed, Avantika, all I can say is that right now, seeing the way things are going, Bishop Mullakkal is trying to hold on to every last straw in this particular case. His legal team has applied for a bail yet again. On October 3rd, you had the magistrate reject his bails. Now, this time they're saying that bail petition no longer applies because then he was the bishop who had handed over administration charge. Now he's no longer a bishop, which is why he should be treated like any other common man, and that is exactly why they should consider his bail plea again. Before, he was in a position of power where he could intimidate witnesses, he could influence witnesses. However, now he is not so his bail petition should be considered, his bail plea should be considered. But then again, should he be let alone? That's another question altogether. He's in judicial custody till the 21st of this month. People do say that the nuns keep alleging that people come time and again to the convent and they're trying to get in touch with them and telling them that they shouldn't have gone public with the protest. They shouldn't have spoken to people about it. They shouldn't have sat in protest. And moreover, we're getting to know that there is a Catholic Federation who has said they will out these nuns who were protesting for what they did. So the nuns also sitting, being threatened at this point of time, whether Bishop Mullakkal is not in power or whether he's in power or not.
All right, very interesting because the High Court made it very clear that the charges that he faces are very grave, the allegations against the bishop based on the materials made available, and the court even recognizing the severity of the punishment in the event of conviction. Therefore, his lawyers once again moving for bail. Shalini, stay on with me. Some more breaking news has come in.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.